part, we will continue our states of northern plain. Here we read Uttar Pradesh. It is famous for guavas and mangoes. You know, guavas means amrud or mangoes. It is also famous for chikankari embroidery that is done in Lucknow, silk sari in Varanasi, brassware in Moradabad, and Kumbh Mela in Allahabad. It is held every 12 years. 12 साल में एक बार बनाया जाता है कुंभ का मेला. Chikankari embroidery, I show the picture of this embroidery afterwards. And silk sari, you know, it is famous in Varanasi. And brassware item also I show in picture. So Uttar Pradesh is famous for guavas, mangoes, chikankari embroidery, silk sari, brassware and Kumbh Mela. Here main industry that I tell you before, industry means udyog dhande. Here famous industry of sugar, textile means vastra, leather and chemical industries. That all industry are located here. And tourist places in Uttar Pradesh, main tourist places are Agra, Varanasi and Lucknow. See picture here. Next, Bihar. Bihar is famous for lychee, silk weaving means bunna, litti chokha and sattu paratha. Litti chokha is meal and paratha, sattu paratha is paratha. It is made of chana dal flour and wheat flour mix up. And litti chokha, it's type of dal, like we eat dal bati. So litti chokha also bati. They eat bati with mixed vegetable. I show the picture of litti chokha afterwards. In Bihar, main festival is Chhath Puja. People worship sun god in early morning. लोग सुबह जल्दी उठ के सूर्य देवता की पूजा करते हैं. So here main festival is Chhath. In Bihar, language Maithili and Bhojpuri. And here tourist places Patna, Gaya and Rajgir. They all are major tourist places in Bihar. Again revise. Bihar is famous for lychee, silk weaving, litti chokha and sattu paratha. Here main festival Chhath. See, Bihar start from B, so its festival start from C. Language Maithili and Bhojpuri and tourist places Patna, Gaya and Rajgir. Next, West Bengal. In West Bengal, main crops rice, jute and tea. Darjeeling has many tea gardens. In West Bengal, Darjeeling has many tea gardens. Darjeeling में बहुत सारे चाय के बागान हैं. Here main occupation fishing because it is nearby coastal area. Language Bangla, you all know. In West Bengal, which language? Bangla language. And main festival Durga Puja. माँ दुर्गा की पूजा की जाती है. See picture here. Assam. Assam is famous for tea and silk. आसाम भी किसके लिए फेमस है? टी और सिल्क के लिए. पेट्रोलियम एंड नेचुरल गैस आर फाउंड इन डिगबोई. डिगबोई इज अ सिटी इन आसाम which is famous for natural gas and petrol. Many women wear mekhala, chadar and blouse. It is a dress of women, mekhala, chadar and blouse. Mekhala is a skirt, chadar is an orni and blouse. I show the picture of mekhala chadar, and here in Assam language, main language is Assamese, and festival Bihu. Bihu is a harvest festival. It is a harvest festival. Means जब किसानों की फसल तैयार हो जाती है तो तब उसको कट करते हैं, उसी खुशी में ये बिहू फेस्टिवल मनाते हैं. अगेन वी रिवाइज. In Assam, Digboi city, it is famous for petrol and natural gas, and Assam is famous for tea and silk. Women wear mekhala, chadar and blouse. Language Assamese, and main festival here Bihu. It is a harvest festival. See, Assam start from A, so its main festival start from B. Assam Bihu. Assam men's festival Bihu, and Bihar main festival Chhat. C. A, B, B, C. I show the picture of Bihu festival and Mekhla Chadar. See here, Mekhla Chadar dress and Bihu festival. Now our northern plain done. Now we read coastal plain. You know what is a coastal plain? See here. The plain that lies along the coast. Means ऐसा plain land जो कि समुद्र के किनारे हो, that is called coastal plain. See here. See here. Here it is Arabian Sea and here Bay of Bengal. तो समुद्र के किनारे, see, this plain land जो समुद्र के किनारे है, see here, that is called coastal plain, समुद्र तट area. Our coastal plain stretches means फैला हुआ, from Gujarat to West Bengal. कोस्टल प्लेन कहाँ से कहाँ तक फैला हुआ है? सी हियर आर गुजरात टू हियर देन अप टू वेस्ट बंगाल. इट स्ट्रेचेस फ्रॉम गुजरात टू वेस्ट बंगाल. कोस्टल प्लेन, दिस कोस्टल प्लेन मीट यानी मिलना, मीट एट कन्याकुमारी. कोस्टल प्लेन आपस में कहाँ मिलते हैं? कन्याकुमारी. कोस्टल प्लेन डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट, वेस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन एंड ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन. See here, it is our west side, so it is called western coastal plain, and it is our east side, so it is called eastern coastal plain. Again we revise. The plain that lies along the coast, it is called coastal plain. It stretches from Gujarat to West Bengal. Gujarat to West Bengal. It divided into two parts, Western Coastal Plain and Eastern Coastal Plain. And both are meet. दोनों आपस में कहाँ मिलते हैं? At कन्याकुमारी. At कन्याकुमारी. Now next, we read one by one this both coastal plain First we read Western Coastal Plain. Coastal Plain, it lies between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. See here in picture. See, it is our Western Coastal Plain. It lies, ये कहाँ स्थित है? अरेबियन सी और वेस्टर्न घाट के बीच में, मिडल में. घाट तट के आसपास का स्थान जहाँ लोग पानी भरते हैं, that is called घाट. तो वेस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन लाई बिटवीन अरेबियन सी और वेस्टर्न घाट. इन दोनों के बीच में है हमारा वेस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन. सेकंड, it stretches from, stretches means फैला हुआ, गुजरात टू केरला. यानी ये गुजरात से केरला तक फैला हुआ है. सी हियर गुजरात अप टू हियर केरला तक ये फैला हुआ है. थर्ड पॉइंट, it is divided into three parts. See, first Gujarat coast, second Konkan coast, and third Malabar coast. See here, like it is our Western Coastal Plain. It is divided into three parts. See, first is Gujarat coast. Second Konkan coast, and third Malabar coast. Again we revise. See here, Western Coastal Plain. It lies between Western Ghat and the Arabian Sea. It stretches from Gujarat to Kerala. It is divided into three parts: Gujarat coast, Konkan coast, and Malabar coast. Next we read Eastern Coastal Plain. It lies between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. Lies means स्थित, means Eastern Coastal Plain, Eastern Ghat और Bay of Bengal के बीच में है. See here, it is our Eastern Coastal Plain. It means ईस्टर्न घाट और बे ऑफ बंगाल के बीच में है. सेकेंड, it stretches from West Bengal to Tamil Nadu. ये वेस्ट बंगाल से तमिलनाडु तक फैला हुआ है. सी इन पिक्चर. सी हियर, here up to West Bengal to Tamil Nadu. और वेस्टर्न घाट कहाँ था? गुजरात टू केरला. और ईस्टर्न घाट वेस्ट बंगाल टू तमिलनाडु तक ये फैला हुआ है. एंड इट इज डिवाइडेड into two parts. First, the northern Sircars, and second, the Coromandel coast. See here, it is our eastern coastal plain. It is divided into two part. North का जो part है that is called northern Sircars. जो नॉर्थ में है. और that south part it is called Coromandel coast. Now coastal plain, you understand coastal plain? Again we revise eastern coastal plain. It lies between Eastern Ghat and Bay of Bengal. It stretches from West Bengal to Tamil Nadu. It is divided into two parts. The northern Sircars in north side and south side it is Coromandel coast.